All right, Jenny. So you have been up to a lot. I've been following your story on Instagram, but why don't you tell everybody that maybe for some reason, if they are crazy and they don't follow you, what have you been up to for like the past couple of months, maybe the past like year or so?
Um, a lot of stuff, and it's exhausting, and I am consistently tired. And a lot of what's happened is the greenhouse. So I started a self-serve greenhouse. I called it Grab and Grow Greenhouse, and
So catchy.
yeah, well, just kind of flies right off the tongue. And I did this because I've been growing plants for about, I don't know, probably closer to 4 years now. And I
Mhm.
had the existing customers that I had, I would have to stop during planting season and meet them with their plants. So as you can imagine, that's kind of an inconvenience, and it doesn't really work out that well. And the plants, I absolutely love that. It was more of a hobby, and it's just something that I enjoyed doing.
Mhm.
So the money that I made from crop farming and from growing plants for people, they're not really on the same playing field. So you kind of have to
That's
figure
true.
out, okay, in order to keep my sanity, which I was not married or did not have a child then, so I was still busy doing that. So I was growing plants for people and doing row crop farming single, and I was busy. Then you add in, a spouse and a kid. Holy cow. It's it's a lot. So, I wanted to be able to continue growing plants for people, finding a better way for the existing customers to get their stuff whenever they wanted, because they were kind of on my schedule too, even though I was trying to make things easier for them. So, I mean, we both had to kind of figure it out.